Hello everyone. Today we are going to start chapter number 2, safety first in second class. Okay, let's start our chapter. The means of the chapter is protect yourself. Safety first means protect yourself first of all. Okay, so let's start our chapter. We should always follow safety rules. Means if we want to stay safe from other means while road we are watching many of the vehicles on a road. At home we are getting many kind of objects which we by which we can be hurt, we get hurt. So in this chapter same thing we are going to learn that how we will keep safe ourselves. Okay, so the first point is how we will keep safe ourselves. So by following safety rules, we can stay safe. Okay everyone, so let's start our chapter. We should always follow safety rules. Safety rules avoid accidents. Here are some safety rules. Means if we will follow the safety rules while moving on a road, at home, in school, wherever we are going there, if we will follow safety rules, then we will stay safe. So it is a very essential thing we are to follow the safety rules. Okay, so because of safety rules we can avoid the accident, we can protect ourselves. Okay, so let's start. The first is rules on a road. Rules on the road. Look at the traffic light. The red light says stop. Have you ever seen the traffic light? You would have seen while moving on a road there used to be stand a traffic police which is showing the lights on a road as red light, yellow light, green light. Okay, these lights say something. Always these lights say something. The first light is red light. So what does it say? The red light says stop. Red light says stop. And yellow light, what does yellow light say? Yellow light always say for wait. If suppose we are moving by car and you are watching on a road that traffic policeman is showing sign of the lights. The light is yellow light is working. The yellow light is working on a road. Then what you will understand? What is it saying? Is it saying that you have to wait for some time, then you will move from here. Okay, so next light is the green light says go. When green light will work, so what it will say? Green light says that you can go, go. So red light says stop, yellow light says wait, and green light says go. Okay everyone, this was the first point. And second is always cross the road at the zebra crossing. I hope so you would have seen the zebra crossing on a road, as there are zebra strips on a road, that the color of the zebra crossing is white and black. Downside you will see the black color, and here strips you will get white color. So always you are to move from zebra crossing. Okay, if you are on feet, from where you will move? From highway? No, it is not good for you, it is not safe for you. If you want to stay safe, then you are to move from zebra crossing. Understood everyone? While crossing the road, and if you are on feet, so where you will move? On highway? No, if we are on feet, we have to walk on the footpath. Where near the highway you will get the one road, and that is called footpath, and you are to move on footpath. Okay, never play on the road. It means we should not play on the road also. If you will play on a road, so what will happen? It can be happen that accident can be happen, any vehicle can come and that can get you hurt. So remember this thing, we will not play on a road. Understood? Now open next page everyone. Second thing, safety in the bus. Now we used to go to school by bus, right everyone? So we have to follow the safety rules while moving in a bus also. So when we will board on a bus. So how we will board? We are to stand on a queue. Okay, we will stand on a queue. So remember this thing, stand in a queue when boarding or deboarding. When you will move in, then also you will stand in a queue. Then you will deboard from the bus, then also you will stand in a queue, everyone. There should not be any kind of pushing. Okay, next is be seated calmly when you are in a bus. Suppose you are sitting on a bus, in the bus, and there is a driver. There is a driver. So or any other person also are there. If you will talk, if you will make a noise in the bus, so that is not good thing. Other person can be disturbed, right, everyone? So always we are to sit calmly in a bus. This is also comes in a safety rules. By that you can be safe. Next, do not get in or get off a moving bus. Just remember, everyone, we should not get in. We should not get in inside of the bus and outside of the bus. We should not go, because while moving bus we should not come in, and we should not move out while moving a bus. Understood? Getting, everyone? I mean to say, when bus is moving, it is in process, that time you will not get in or you will not get out, you will not get off also. Getting, everyone? Let it stop the bus, then you will get in and get off. Then do not put your arms or head out of a moving bus. Means we will not take out our hands, our head, our arms from moving bus. You can see the bus, near the bus any other vehicle also can be. By that your hair, if you will take out your hands, then your hands can be get hurt. If you will take out your head, then your head also can be get hurt. So stay safe, everyone. We should not take out our head from moving bus. Okay, then do not disturb the driver while he is driving. Suppose driver is driving the bus and you are sitting nearby driver, and you are talking to the driver, so his mind can be disturbed, everyone. Right, everyone? So while moving in a bus, we should not talk to driver. Okay, and we should not make him disturb. Then next is, understood, everyone? These are the safety rules while moving in a bus. We should not board and deboard from a moving bus, and we should stand in a queue, and we should sit calm in the bus, and we should not take out the arms, head from a moving bus. Okay, everyone? And we should not talk to the driver also. Next, everyone, do not play with the sharp object. Means it comes in a safety rules of home. In home also, many of the at home also many of the things are there by which we can get hurt, everyone. So remember which are good for us and which are not good for us. So we are to follow the safety rules at our home also. Let's start, everyone. Do not play with sharp things like blades and knives. In this, what is saying the safety rule? The safety rule is saying we should not use the blades. Blades, you are getting, knives, scissors, they are sharp. If you are very small kid, if you will touch like these kind of things, you can be hurt, blood, it can be bleed. Understood, everyone? So next is, do not touch electric switches and wires with wet hands. Suppose your hands are wet, your hands are completely wet. Why water? Why water? Your hands are wet. And what to do in this? We should not touch the electric switches. We should not touch electric switches, everyone. Because in electric switches, electric used to be, na, right, everyone? Electricity is there. If you will touch by wet hand switches and wire, you can get current. So don't try to touch while wet hands. Okay, don't try to touch your wet hands on a switch and electric wires. Next is, do not play with the fire or firecrackers. Have you ever burned the crackers on Diwali? Right, I know you have burned out. Okay, so in this also same thing is given. Do not play with the fire. You are watching fire in kitchen also. You are getting gas stove, and that you should not touch the fire, because you are not that much mature. You are very small kid. Okay, and we should not burn the firecracker also. Okay, if we are burning, then we should take help from the parents. With parents, we will burn the cracker up. Okay, everyone, now next. Do not fly kites from the roof. We should not fly the kite from roofs. Why? Because if there is no boundary walls, if there is no boundary walls, means it is not covered by walls. If your roof, suppose this is your roof, or here there is no boundary walls, like in this manner there is no boundary walls, then you should not fly kites on your roof, everyone. Okay, if there are boundary walls on a roof, then is okay, you can